Hello, my name is Kanji Coder. You're on video 828. We're gonna make a game and we're gonna sell 1 million fucking copies. You're on the fast documentation. This is shader source fragment number 8. It is the bombs for Josh shader. Within here, we have a new function that I stole from an old codebase. Function void frag random one dimensional. Here is the seed value and here's the minimum and maximum inclusive value we want the output to be between. So this is our output right here, and I have no fucking clue how this code works. I just know it works really good for creating a random value. This randomizes the bits in the 32-bit integer, and then we need to do some modulo by hand. So this is modulo by hand. So what we're going to do here is we are going to bottom out the range by subtracting the subtracting the min value, right? We're going to subtract the min value from the min-max range, and then we're going to modulo it, and then we're going to take that zeroed out value, and we're going to tack it back on. We're going to tack it back on to the minimum to get an output that's going to be within the minimum and maximum we desire, inclusive, and we're going to spit it out right here. Now this code is directly above the main entry point for the bombs for Josh fragment shader right here, and here's what we did previously, and then we have our footnotes down here, and this is what we kind of did in this video. Okay, so if you want a longer explanation, you will have to go here to the Ninja playlist 9. You are on the fast code review on Kanji playlist 9. There is tech demos only right here if this makes your brain hurt. Source code is here. Ways of getting a hold of me. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch, and I'm open sourcing it and documenting every single goddamn line of code. If you want to see how to make a game engine, and you want to see, I don't know, fuck, if you want to see how to make a game engine, you need to fucking like and subscribe. Like, subscribe, and follow. I am making a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman Metroidvania MMO with GoldenEye style proximity mines on timers with directional blasts. I am making a lot of crazy stuff, and I am fucking doing it, so you need to like and subscribe. I'm out of here.